Hello class, welcome to the Minute Math YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button below and share our videos. You can also find great math content and links to all of our videos at www.minutemathtutor.com. Alright now, enjoy the lesson.
Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about simple and compound interest. Use simple interest to find the ending balance. If I was given this problem, $2,300 at 7% for 9 years. I want to use my simple interest formula. Simple interest equals my principal, $2,300, multiplied by my interest rate, 7% as a decimal, 0.07, for the length of time in years, which is 9. With that information, when I multiply that out, I get a value of $1,449. Now, that's just the interest accrued. I have to add that back to my principal to get the ending balance. Principal was $2,300. We add back, or add the simple interest, $1,449, to get an ending balance of $3,749.00. So quick recap, we're given $2,300 at 7% for 9 years, and we define the ending balance using simple interest. Simple interest formula gave us a value of $1,449. Add that back to our principal to get the ending balance of $3,749.
Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, the creator of Minute Math, and if you like this video, please hit the like button that's right there. If you have a mathematical question, just add it to the comment section below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos just like this one, hit subscribe. It's right there. But as always, thanks for watching.